Dell here with a product called Chobani Flip, and I guess the idea is to take the contents of the smaller part of the package and put them into the big part. And Flip chocolate layer cake is the flavor. So let's see there. Should we just peel this off? That's nice and easy so far. Yeah, that worked pretty good. And so we'll. Oh, these look like little chocolate chips or something. We'll just spoon them all out into there. Okay, a few more left. Well, we got enough of them in here to get the idea across. And let's take a the chips are crunchy, somewhat. It's a heavy chocolate flavor. It's overpowering. So I'm assuming they have different flavors, and I would probably pick a different one. But and also, I wouldn't put so many of the chips in here. But yeah, it's working. So this is the chocolate layer cake flavor. And I'll hold up the package right there. And this is as you see it. Chobani chocolate layer cake flip. F-L-I-P flip. Well, there you have it. Another product evaluated.
Did you really like this one?